In this video, we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor in this 2008 Acura MDX. Alright, so we've located the mass airflow. We're going to remove our electrical connection. I'm going to press down on this tab and push and pull at the same time backwards. We're going to remove the electrical connector. Set that aside. Now we can remove our 2 Phillips screws. I like to keep downward pressure on them even when they're all the way out until I can grab them so I don't lose them in the engine. Now that you have your 2 Phillips screws out, you should be able to just lift your mass airflow straight out. And there it is. All right, just slide it back straight into position. Press down, make sure you're seated nice and tight. We can put our 2 Phillips screws back in. There's no need to over tighten these. Get them snug, half a turn. Same thing here, get them snug, half a turn. Now we can take our electrical connection, make sure it's free of any debris, plug it in until you hear a click, and you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.